Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to play Shape of You by Ed Sheeran on ukulele. This video is going to have four main components to it. We're going to look at the chords used throughout the song, the strumming pattern, and the riff or hook that repeats throughout the piece. The fourth component is a percussive element that you can do on the ukulele. If you've been following my ukulele series so far, you'll know that the songs that we've looked at include the primary chords in C major. That is C, or chord 1, F, or chord 4, and G, which is chord 5 in C major. But with Shape of You, we're adding two minor chords to that collection. They are the 6th chord, A minor. You place your middle finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and D minor, which is chord 2 in C major. Place your middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and 1st finger on the 1st fret 2nd string. In looking at the strumming pattern that exists in Shape of You, we have to tackle a very influential rhythm, that is the tresillo rhythm. I'm not going to give its entire history here, but I've linked a video below that traces its origins all the way up to the present day in pop songs. There's a Caribbean or South American flavour to this rhythm, and we're going to have a look at it now. So in this pattern, we change chord twice per bar. In the first bar, we've got the chords A minor going to D minor. A minor is on the first two beats of the bar, and D minor is on the 3 and 4. But how they're divided with the rhythm is as follows. We're going to count 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. And where the rhythm lies on those is on the 1, the A of 1, and the and of 2 for the first half of the bar. And then we're on the 3, the A of 3, and the and of 4. All together and really slowly, that sounds like this. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. In the second bar of the pattern, we have the exact same thing, but now on chords F and G. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. And all together, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. In terms of the direction of your strumming hand, we have down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, keeping the down on the stronger pulses of the bar. We're now going to take a look at the melodic riff or hook that goes throughout this piece. So for the first bar, all we play is the open first string, then the 3rd fret on the same string, then open first string again, and in the second half of the bar we repeat the same thing and we just apply it to the tresillo rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. A bit slower. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. In the second bar of the pattern, we do the exact same. We start on open first, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, and then we change for the latter half of that bar to 2nd fret on the 1st string, open on the 1st string, and then on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So that 2nd bar all together, and the 2 bars back to back. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last thing I'm going to look at doesn't exactly exist on the track, but Ed Sheeran uses his guitar percussively, and I thought we could do something similar on the ukulele. It goes something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. To do this, I'm muting the strings on the fretboard hand by lightly pressing on them. If you press too hard, you'll get this. And if you don't press hard enough, you'll get some of the open strings. So just apply enough pressure that you get a percussive sound when you strum down. And then on the strumming hand, I play an accented downbeat on the 1, and then on the and a of 1, e and a, I do a down up, a quicker and lighter down up strum, followed by a hit on the soundboard, and then lastly I strum down again on the muted strings. All together, down, down, up, hit, down, 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 up, hit, down, 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 up, hit, down, 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 up, hit, down. For practice purposes, I've linked a backing track of me playing the song entirely through with voiceovers of what part of the song you're on each time and a metronome to keep us all on time. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you found this useful, please consider hitting subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.